If you're looking for a credit card that can help you build credit without drowning you in fees, the Petal credit card lineup is definitely worth considering. The Petal 2 card in particular stands out as a solid option. First off, there's no annual fee, no late fees, and no return payment fees. This is a refreshing change from many traditional cards, which can charge hefty fees for things that are often out of your control. Plus, there are no foreign transaction fees, which is great if you travel a lot. And on top of all that, Petal 2 gives you the chance to earn up to 1.5% cash back on everyday purchases. That's not bad for a card that's designed for people who are building or rebuilding their credit. One of the unique features of the Petal cards is the LEAP program. If you make 6 consecutive on-time payments, you'll automatically get a credit limit increase. This is a fantastic way to gradually grow your credit limit, and it's a clear incentive to use the card responsibly. And speaking of responsible use, the Petal 2 card reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, which means that as long as you make on-time payments, you'll be building your credit score without even trying. If you're worried about fraud, Petal has your back with robust fraud detection technology and zero liability for fraudulent charges, giving you peace of mind when using your card. That said, there are some drawbacks. The APR on the Petal 2 card ranges from 28.99% to 30.99%, which is on the higher end. If you carry a balance month to month, that could get expensive. Additionally, while there's no annual fee, Petal does make money off interest and merchant interchange, which is something to keep in mind if you don't always pay your bill in full. For those new to credit or looking to rebuild, Petal cards are a solid choice. The cash back rewards and the simple fee-free structure make it a great option for building your credit without the typical pitfalls. If you can manage your payments well, you'll see your credit score improve over time, while also earning a bit of cash back along the way. Just be mindful of the high APR if you plan on carrying a balance, and you should be good to go. Overall, it's an excellent option if you want a straightforward, transparent credit card that helps you build credit responsibly.